Today we'll be learning about FOIL. Now FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last. There are a few tips or tricks to remember in what order to FOIL. One is the moon, which goes first, outer, inner, and last. Hence you get your moon. The other tip is the pretzel. With pretzel you go first, outer, inner, and last. Now to solve this equation, what you're going to do is you're going to multiply the first terms or variables, which are x's, which will give you x squared. Then you do your outer variables, which will give you 4x. Your inner two variables, which will give you 2x. And your last variables, which will give you 8. After this, you simply simplify, which will give you x squared plus 6x plus 8.
Okay, this next example is just subtraction. So you would do first the x's, outer, inner, and last. And you would combine it to simplify it. That's that. So for this equation, we have both positives and negatives. So once again, we do x squared, the outer terms, minus 3x, inner, plus 5x, and last, minus 15. So once you put the two like terms together, you would have x squared plus 2x minus 15.
Another situation you can encounter is cancellation. First, you do your first two terms, which is x squared, outer, your inner, and your last. And as you can see, these two will actually cancel out, leaving you with x squared minus 4.
In this example, you will encounter exponents. So before doing this, I'm going to tell you that you will have to add the exponents together, which is x to the 5th. And then you would do it just like any other equation. Okay, so because there are no like terms, you would do it by the order of exponents, so the highest. And that would be your answer. So for this equation, you have a number in front of one of the x's. So you would still do the same process. So this would be 2x squared plus 6x, because you multiply the 2 and the 3, plus 8x plus 24. And once again, you put these two together, so you have 2x squared plus 14x plus 24. And that's your answer.
At this moment, pause the video and do the equation, and resume the video once you have your answer.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over.
Now try this equation on your own.
Like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Return to the Mac. Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up. First shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy. Glad moonwalking. And this here is our party.
Now try this final equation on your own.
Chrome music. I shed my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush shit. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. It's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling fan.
So if you ever have trouble with foiling, come back and watch this video.